Today, you will learn how to convert photos into a cartoon character effect in Photoshop. With the same technique, you can get very different variations like this. Doesn't talk more further, let's get started. So first of all, you can download this PS cartoon action file from the description's download link. So you can use WinRAR or other software to extract it. So I will use WinRAR to extract. So I will extract it. Then you can open this folder. So in this folder you can see cartoonize.atn and help file is available. So by going to the help file you can know more about this cartoonizing effect. So you cannot open this cartoonize.atn file to the Photoshop directly. You can see you cannot open it. So you must link it to the Adobe Photoshop using Action Panel. So you must need the Adobe Photoshop version like 2015 or higher version and CX6 or higher version to do that. So after that I'm going to the Photoshop. Then you can import you like photo. So I import this photo. So after import your photo, you can check your photo is in RGB color mode and 8-bit format. So you don't know how to check it, you can go to the upper area. In this upper area you can see in your photo's name you can see RGB/8. This means your photo is in the RGB color mode and 8-bit color format. Then after that you can go to the action panel. If you haven't the action panel, you can go to the window. In this window you can see action is available. So click on the actions. Then you can see your action panel is available. So you can go to this, click in this and you can go to the load actions. So you can load your action from this. So you can select you installed folder. So I'm going to the desktop and this is my installed folder. So I'm going to this. Then you can see your cartoonize.atn file is available. So you can click on this and click on load button. So after that you can see oil paint in PS action is available. So you can maximize it using this tick. Then you can go to this. Then you can see play this action. So you can click on this button to play this action. So this is easy, you can play this selection. So press on this. Then wait time we need to do that. This is automatically change your image into a cartoon photo. So you can see your photo is changed into a cartoon photo in just 3 minutes. You can see it's easy. You can see the only thing is you can play the action. So you can see your image is turned into a cartoon photo. You can check the previous photo by visible this layer. You can see this is the previous photo. So after turning into a cartoon photo you can see this. So if you want to edit your color you can go to the color effect 3. So you can see the color is changing and you can go to the another. You can see 3 color formats are available. You can change it these color formats. So you can see layer adjustment. You can adjust the layers by using these. You can again adjust the layers. So you can do that if you want to advanced edit. So in the simple edit you can do only thing is play the action. So
if you can do this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new videos quickly for you. So we will see in another interesting video with more new stuff and see you again on TECHEX.